Hey guys, it's Richard from Grafting Dragon Fruits, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make dragon fruit lemonade. And the stuff you're going to be needing is, of course, a dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruit of mine that split early, and I didn't want anything to go to waste. And you guys know me by now, I tried to use everything on the dragon fruit. So even though it's split, I didn't want to eat it because it was exposed, but we're going to cut that off and make it into a lemonade and enjoy it because it's been hot lately, and now we're going to make some things refreshing for us to drink. So you're going to need about 1 cup of sugar. And this is lemon that I already juiced out beforehand for this video, so it won't take so long. So what I do is I like to roll these lemons like this. I'll cut them, and I have 1 cup of lemon juice. Here is 1.5 quarts of water, and I have some fresh mint leaves that I grew in my garden. And we're gonna have some lemon slices that we're gonna add to this as well. And of course, we have some ice to add into after. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and get started on the recipe. What I'm gonna do first is cut this dragon fruit that I have here into cubes. We're gonna mush it up, and I have a bowl here to help me do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the dragon fruit first, get them ready, and then we'll add everything together to make our lemonade. All right, here we go. I'm gonna cut right where it splits. So the dragon fruit that I'm gonna be using for this lemonade is called Red Laverne. And if you guys have been following me for a while, this dragon fruit has been one of mine that I've been so excited to taste, and now I get to use it as a lemonade. So I love how deep purple it is. If you guys check that out, it's just so purple, everything. There's no white gaps or anything, just really deep purple, and I love how it looks. It's amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, cut these dragon fruits. Just gonna peel the skin off. It's gonna make everything a lot easier for me. And I did wash my hands before I did all this, so make sure you wash your hands. I can't wait until we put this together, get all of this beautiful color in that lemonade, and then see how it tastes. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead, cut these into little pieces, just like that. Don't worry about it being pretty because you're gonna be using it and mashing it all up. Just like that. So about 1 large dragon fruit, and if your dragon fruit isn't large, you can go ahead and use 2 dragon fruits, or if you have a lot, you can go ahead and use them all. It depends how potent you want that dragon fruit flavor to be in there, and this will be totally up to you. And check out how juicy this dragon fruit is. This one would be a perfect lemonade just because of all of the extra water that is bringing out, and you want your dragon fruit to be juicy. Right? Okay, so here we are. We have cut up all of our dragon fruits. Now what I'm gonna do is, I have a fork here, and then I just mush them down like this. You see how they're just going, mushing. So you wanna do this until you get about good little pieces in there. And you don't have to do it too much because once you put it inside, you're gonna be stirring it in there, and the sugar and lemons are gonna actually break apart all of the flesh. So they'll eventually all dilute and mix in there very well. This is so deliciously looking right now. Look at all of that juice in there. Wow. The color from this dragon fruit is gonna make our lemonade look so pretty, and you know, colors actually makes you more attracted to food. So once people see this, they're gonna see it, they're gonna be like, wow, definitely need a cup of that, Richard. And I'll be like, sure. I love to share. Okay, so I think we've mushed up a pretty good amount of dragon fruits. I do want some large pulps in there so when you're drinking it, some of those pieces get in your mouth and you can chew it with all those seeds. It's gonna make it really fun to drink. So I have my consistency to about here. So you guys take a look. I think that's pretty good. You can mush it up more if you want, depending on you. But because I'm just showing you guys how to do this, I don't want to make it too long. We're gonna go ahead and now add everything in. So here we have our 1.5 quarts of water. I'm gonna go ahead and add my 1 cup of lemon juice. Just like that. I have here 1 cup of sugar. And And I'm gonna be using, my wife's gonna hand me something to mix it with. You can go ahead, mix that all together. And now, the best part. We're gonna dump all of the dragon fruit pulp and juice in here. And look at that. It is looking so amazing. So here we are with our dragon fruit lemonade. And now we're just gonna add the final touches. We have some ice. I'm gonna go ahead and add some ice in here. We're gonna fill it up all the way to the top with ice. Look how amazing that looks already, you guys. Isn't that refreshing looking? So we're gonna go ahead, just mix up all the ice in there. And the last step is, this is where your mint leaves and your lemon peels are gonna come in handy. You can cut more so that way it can look appropriate. I'm gonna put it actually in here. And we're gonna go ahead and add some mint leaves on the bottom. And these are fresh ones that I grew outside in my garden. I grow herbs too, just not dragon fruits. Try to grow all of the stuff that I like to eat. So you're gonna add that in there just like that. You can add it in here too if you guys are gonna have a party. It makes the presentation look a lot better. But because we're gonna just do 1 cup, I'm gonna put everything in there. I'm gonna give it one good mix again to make sure that all of our dragon fruit, sugar, and juices and water are all mixed together. Okay, here we go. You guys ready for the final product? And there we have it. Dragon fruit lemonade. It's very easy to make, and if you have extra dragon fruit, this is a very good way to use all of it without wasting anything. I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip and let you guys know what I think. Wow, amazing. If you guys have extra dragon fruits, do this right away. It's still summertime, so I think this is very appropriate for the time that we're in right now. Take some more drinks because this is so good. Very refreshing. Wow, this is amazing, you guys. So check out my dragon fruit lemonade and go ahead and give this a try. So it's very easy to do, and that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys have any comments about this dragon fruit lemonade, go ahead and leave in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. And if you guys want to see more grafting and dragon fruit videos of mine, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, so that way you guys won't miss a single thing. Have a wonderful day now. Bye, guys.